Welcome back to our unique YouTube channel, Austin Vlogger. We're thrilled to have you join us as we delve into the vibrant life of Austin, the captivating capital of our Lone Star State, Texas. Our channel is a treasure trove of the distinct culture, diverse events, and one-of-a-kind lifestyle that make Austin stand out. From the pulsating live music scene and mouthwatering food festivals to the hidden gems and thrilling outdoor adventures, we bring you the essence of this dynamic city. Stay tuned as we immerse ourselves in the heart of Austin, capturing its spirit and sharing stories, illuminating why it's one of the most cherished cities in the United States. Whether you're a local or a visitor, our videos aim to forge a deeper connection to Austin's community and lifestyle. While heading to Austin's Westside through downtown, I came across a massive protest against Israel's persecution of Palestine. The streets were filled with passionate demonstrators, their signs and banners boldly displaying messages of solidarity and calls for justice. Chants of Free Palestine echoed through the air, accompanied by the rhythmic beat of drums and the occasional honk of supportive passing cars. The energy was palpable, a mix of anger, hope, and determination. Police presence was significant, with officers stationed at key intersections to ensure peaceful protest. I decided to film the event to give you a first-hand look at the scale and intensity of the demonstration, capturing the diverse voices and powerful stories of those standing in solidarity with Palestine. I arrived around 2:30 p.m., which coincided with the presumed start of the protest. Despite the scorching heat, with temperatures soaring to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, a diverse crowd had gathered, demonstrating a strong sense of unity and determination. Men and women of various ages, from young children to elderly participants, stood side by side. Their presence was a powerful testament to the cause they were supporting, undeterred by the sweltering weather. The atmosphere was energetic as people held up signs, chanted slogans, and engaged in spirited conversations. This collective resilience, visible across such a broad demographic spectrum, underscored the protest's significance and the depth of commitment shared by everyone present. It was an impressive turnout considering the adverse weather conditions, with heavy rain and gusty winds that might have discouraged less determined individuals. Yet, despite the inclement weather, a substantial crowd gathered to voice their concerns and exercise their democratic rights. The presence of law enforcement officers was notable not for suppression, but for ensuring the safety and orderliness of the protest. Officers directed traffic, assisted those in need, and maintained a calm environment. This scene was a poignant reminder of the core values this country holds dear, where the rights to freedom of assembly and speech are respected and actively safeguarded. Such a display of civic engagement, underpinned by mutual respect between protesters and law enforcement, exemplifies the democratic principles that form the bedrock of our society. Enjoy the footage and remember to be part of our growing community by subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos that delve into this fantastic city's vibrant culture, unique attractions, and hidden gems. If you found this video interesting, please show your support by hitting the like button. Sharing our channel with your loved ones helps us expand our reach and bring our updates to a broader audience so we can continue providing you with top-notch and captivating content. Your support is invaluable in our mission to share the best of Austin with the world.
Wow.